Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video, you guys. To my amazing supporters, thank you guys so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Today is currently Monday, September 19th. And as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm about to show y'all different ways to style knotless braids. So as you can see, I got my hair done. I'm gonna try to give y'all like a up close. So I have knotless braids in. They're down to, when I move them to the front, they're like down to my waist. They stop like here. And then at the back, they stop like to my lower back area. I love them. This is my first time getting knotless braids. It took me a good like 8 hours to get them done or whatever. I absolutely love them. It's a different look. I'm always like getting my hair done curly because I love curly hair, if you know me, but I just wanted to switch it up and do something different, so I chose to go with these braids. So we're gonna get straight into it. I want to show y'all some different ways to style it. I've had this hair in for less than a week, but you know, I got some ways to style it that y'all might like. And if you're like questioning if you want to get braids or not, maybe the way I style it might motivate you to want to get them. So yeah, first things first, I would recommend, because my biggest pet peeve, y'all, is when I see people with like box braids and they don't have like any accessories or anything on them. So on mine, I added like some accessories. I chose to go with silver. Silver is like my preference over gold, because fake gold, like, it just, no, it don't be sitting right with me. For example, like when you get these little accessory things, I know y'all can see them. For example, when you get them in gold and let's say you decide to go swimming or dip them in water, they change color like this, and I hate that. Like, I like my accessories like shining for a long time. So that's one of the first ways that you could like kind of jazz up your hair. I'm gonna start with like the real basic. If you like gold and you don't mind it changing color, then that's totally fine. I don't like it changing color so fast, so I like to stick with silver hair accessories. Or if I ever try gold, which I have before, in like a week or two, I take them out because they change color. So that's the first way, is accessorize your box braids, make them look cute, whatever you're into. They have like different type of accessories. They have like the African style ones that are like little beads. They have like seashells. They have like different things that you could put in. So yeah, you could start with that. That's one way to like doll it up. The second way that I wanted to mention is you can use beads. So I have some in here. I'm not gonna put them on whatever. It's kind of hard to show y'all. Okay, there you go. So whatever kind of beads you like, I feel like that's another way that you could like style, that you could like jazz up box braids when you get them. These ones, I got them small because I feel like small fits me better. But if I was ever to get like medium or like a bigger size of box braids, then I would definitely like do the beads, because if it's only like what, maybe like 20 box braids in your head, it's not too bad, and you don't have to worry about it being too heavy compared to if you got all these small ones in there. Your hair is probably going to get heavy after a while of wearing the beads. So that's another way that you could style box braids. So again, you could wear it just laid down, like just plain like this, because I feel like it looks nice and stuff like that. You could do a center part. That's one way. You could also change it up. I'm looking in my mirror as I talk to y'all. Or you could do a side part. That's another thing, y'all. If you want your box braids to look like more stylish or look more neater, I definitely recommend like laying your edges. As y'all can see, I'm definitely gonna do a video tutorial on this for y'all, but I have my edges laid, which I feel like they make your box braids keep, like, I don't know, it just looks better to me. So yeah, you could definitely do a side part. Ooh, depending on which side works best for you, that's another way that you can style your box braids. Just do like a regular side part. If you're into like hair clips and stuff like that, I would take like this. Hold on, y'all. I would take like this and probably just put it, oops. Put it on the side like that, just to give it a little razzle dazzle or whatever. And I feel like it's cute. Yeah, y'all see that? It's cute. Or you could take any clip or a flower or whatever, put on the side. So you can either do a side part to this side, depending on which side part fits you better. Or if you're like me, where I feel like both will always fit me, I would just switch like each side just to give it a different look. So yeah, I got these little things in here like I told y'all, which is so cute, y'all. That's why I say accessorize your hair. Oops, accessorize your hair because it makes it look cuter. But yeah, this is another side part, obviously, and same thing. You could just take one of these pins, put it on there just to style it up a little more. If you're not like really going anywhere and you just want a simple but different look, then you don't have to add the pins in there, but that's another way that you could do it. Of course, outside of the basic wearing it down, you could do, I would say like, you could do a low ponytail. Usually though, if I do a low ponytail, I would leave like, oops, 2 braids out to the front. Yeah, so let me show y'all. Oops, I'm bringing the camera closer. All right, there we go. So if I'm y'all, like I said, I would, if I'm doing like a low ponytail with the box braids, then I would leave out like 2 braids on the side, and then got my ponytail holder. Oops. And then I would just put it in a ponytail. If y'all want, y'all don't have to leave like the side braids out. You could put them back. Or another way that I would do it is like leave out the 2 bangs in the front, but put these 2 back here. If y'all don't like the side baby, I mean not side baby here, but the side braid leave out, and it's still cute. Like just do a little bang like that. Or another way to switch it up, you could do a bang only on one side again, or whichever side that you prefer. You could do it like that. You could take out more hair. Oops. You could take out more hair if you want and do the 2 bangs if you want. See y'all, that looks so cute. Or you could just do the bang to whichever side again you feel the most confident with. Hold on, I gotta tuck these braids in tighter. Oh, I don't want this video to be too long, but yeah. So that's another way that you could do it. Really simple, really cute. You could wear this to the side if you want. You could throw it back, throw it to the back. That's how it would look from the side, like that. Or you could put this on this side and just throw this around here like that, which is cute. I'll show y'all another way. So this is another way that I like. I don't like having bangs out for this one, but a high ponytail is also cute. I was telling one of my friends that this hair makes me look like so much younger. Kind of felt like I was 12. So when I want to feel like more grown woman-ish, I like putting it, yeah, push the camera back. I like putting it in a high ponytail because I feel like it gives more grown woman. So Put your head forward like that. Do like this. Do it like that. And there you go. So, and as I told y'all, these little accessory things are so cute. So let me bring y'all back in. So see, that's how it looks. I like the high pony because it gives adult. So hold on, I'm gonna show y'all from the back too. Oops, I gotta stay like this. And y'all see it. So it's cute. I like it. That's another way that you could do it. Super simple. Let's say it's hot and you don't want to do it like that. You could also put it in. You can also put it in a high bun, which is super cute as well. So just wrap it around like that. Just wrap it. You might need some bobby pins to hold it, but I don't need a bobby pin to hold it. So that's another way that you could do it in a cute high bun. For the bun part, if you want, again, you could take bangs out, leave it if you want hair in your face, or if you don't like the whole hair thing in your face, like me sometimes, then don't take the bangs out. But that's another way that you can do it. I'm gonna show y'all probably like 2 more. But there's so many ways that you could style box braids, which is why I love them. It takes a long time, but there's so many things that you could do with them. So I'm gonna show y'all like 2 more of like my favorite go-to look, especially when like your hair start like getting stale and stuff like that. This this is like my go-to. So I take hold on, I just take like 3 braids in the front, twist it, put it, or you could do more if you want, but just take 3 braids like that. Oop, I have a clip. Put the clip to hold it. Ouch, hurts a little bit. Same thing, twist like that. And then now take the 3 looser braids in the front. Same thing here, take the 3 loose braids in the front, unclip it, and then bring it like that. So y'all see. And you could wear it, oh wait, I gotta finish telling y'all what to do. So when you take this like that, you just put, I'm gonna use a small scrunchie, so I have a little scrunchie like this here. You just do like this. You just put a hair tie around this, like that. And you don't gotta do it too tight, but yeah, that's what it do, like that. This is like one of my favorite looks as well, as y'all can see. So, or you could just wear it to the back like that. That's another way that you could wear it. So take this out now, but this is one of like my favorite go-to looks. My other favorite one, if y'all seen one of my previous videos, y'all will know. So you take half of the hair, you do like a half up, half down type of thing. With curly hair, I don't mind doing this style and like leaving some hair out. But with this one, I don't like leaving any hair out. So you kind of have to like fork it up to be all neat or whatever. But I got my hair tie on my wrist already. So you just basically take half of the hair. I know y'all can see that. You take half of the hair, you put it in a ponytail like this. Oops. And then There we go. And see, I told y'all those little accessories make such a huge difference. It's like dangling. Y'all can see that. So again, you could wear it to the side. Especially when you're sitting down, it's good to put it to the side. Or if you're just walking around normal, you could do it like that. So there's the hair. I like this one because it keeps the hair out of your face while it's in like a stylish hairstyle. So that is pretty much all I have for y'all. I don't want this video to be like too much longer, so I'm not really gonna show y'all any more styles. But yeah, those are like my go-to styles when I am wearing box braids. No styles that's gonna put too much like pressure on my scalp, because I've seen like other videos where girls do like other styles, but my least favorite thing about some of those styles, which is why I don't want to show y'all them, is I feel like they just put so much pressure. Like, remember with your hair already, it's already pulled up tight, not pulled tight, but it's already pressure on your hair from the box braid. So there's certain styles I feel like when you do them additionally, they put more pressure on top of your hair, so I don't really like them. So these are really like simple, cute, everyday styles if you want, or when you want to switch up from just wearing the hair down like this. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. I am enjoying these box braids. I feel like they are fun. They make me feel like that girl. So I'm having fun wearing them, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on them. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment below which style was your favorite style. I appreciate everyone for watching and for tuning in. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.